Hi, this is Carl. Let me welcome you to a brand new video series. I'm putting together a series of videos. They're all going to be short, 5 to 10 minutes, occasionally a little bit longer than that, focused on sales. And I'm calling it the cheekysalescoach.com. Why is that? Well, I'm not going to talk about things like a trial close and the Franklin close and soft launches and that kind of stuff. I don't claim to know anything about hardcore formal sales. But here's what I do know. I have owned several businesses. I've bought businesses and sold businesses. And within those businesses, including businesses I didn't own, I have somehow managed to sell many, many millions of dollars worth of products and services over the last 30 years. So now I want to talk about the reality of sales in small business. What works and what doesn't. Unfortunately, some of the stuff that works makes you feel uncomfortable. That doesn't mean it doesn't work, but it might mean it's not a good fit with your brand. So welcome to the Cheeky Sales Coach video series. This is a series intended to make you more successful at the things that matter when it comes to sales. One piece of that is engaging your audience in an interesting way. Not everybody does sales the same way. Not everybody wants to do sales my way. But you know what? With 50 videos, you should learn something. Otherwise, I'll be honest, you're probably not paying attention. And that's cool too. I'm not going to require any homework. I'm not going to require that you be successful. But I hope you'll be motivated, and I hope that you will take action to change the way you do things. I'm putting this together as a 50-week video series so that you will always be able to grab a little bite of knowledge and then consume it and then come back to me. And if you choose, go to cheekysalescoach.com, put in some questions, and engage me in a conversation about your sales process, what works and what doesn't. 50 weeks also allows me to be able to not just respond to your questions, but also give you little bits that you can ignore for a while. Let's be honest, we all get busy. And then you'll be able to catch up real quickly, take a bunch of notes, and dive right in as soon as you catch up. So it's intended to be, again, very actionable. I want to help you to be more successful. But I'm not going to BS you. I am absolutely not going to say things that you want to hear. I'm not going to tell you it's okay to do stupid things. And when I talk about the things that people do that are stupid, I will call them stupid. If you're offended by that, please visit every other website on the internet and don't give me any grief. Okay? Deal? That's the kind of stuff you can expect in this video series. I hope it'll be fun, it'll be entertaining, and it'll be educational. Now, let's be honest. I could call this a masterclass and charge you $1,000. And there are some people watching this who absolutely guaranteed would pay that much money. I don't want to do that. It's not that I don't need the money. I'll be happy to do it. And if you choose to send me $1,000, I will spend it. I will not turn down any money you send me. But the goal of this series, I'll be completely honest, the primary goal of this series, make you more successful, get you on my mailing list, and keep you there for at least 50 weeks. So if you're interested, please subscribe to my channel on YouTube right now and ring the bell so that you are notified every time we post a new video. Stay tuned. The first video will be launched in mid-November, and it will go out to everybody who has already subscribed. So between now and then, it's just going to be this one promotional video, and the rest come in after that. So subscribe today, ring the bell, like it, thumbs up, share it, blah, 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 blah. And I will see you online. Call to action. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you won't miss a thing.